Digital job cards make workshop operations faster and more efficient by reducing paperwork, improving communication, providing real-time updates, and ensuring accurate record keeping. They help teams to stay organized, track job cards easily, and deliver better customer service. Today, I will show you how the JobSheet app works on a mobile phone. So let's get started. So first, download the Moiboo app from the Play Store or App Store. You can get the login credentials from the Moiboo team. You can log in using the username and password. Now let's create the job card. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. At the job sheet details, the job number, the in date, out date, the in time, out time is all auto-generated. If you require, you can edit them by clicking on them. And then click on Done. Next is the customer details. You can select the existing customer from the drop-down. Or if you require, you can create a new customer by clicking on Add New, by entering the name, mobile number. And under More Details, you have the details like address, identification details, and multi-vehicle, where you can key in on any number of vehicles here and then click on Create. Select the mechanic who's going to do the job. Click on Done once it's done. Next is the vehicle details. Click on Vehicle Details. Choose the vehicle of the customer. If you require to add a new vehicle, you can click on Add New and enter the vehicle details. Click on Mileage and enter the mileage of the vehicle. Indicate the fuel level. Then click on Done. Next is the reception defect, where you can mark or highlight the areas that need repair. In case you want to change this tire or anything like that, you can just mark the details here and click on Done. The fall details, we can upload pictures here of the vehicle. By clicking on the plus, you can upload the pictures like this and you can click on Done. Next is the parts. This is the items that require for the service. You can enter the quantity and rate. If you want to add new, you can add more items here. Or if you do want, you can remove it as well. Then click on Done. So once all the details are completed, just click on Save Job Sheet. So once the job sheet is created, you can slide on the job sheet and you can send it for approval to the customer by WhatsApp. This is optional. If you want, you can send it for approval. After completing the job, you can click on Complete Job Sheet Complete and complete the job. In case you want to update the job or you want to make any changes in the job sheet, you can click on the job sheet and you can make the changes here. But if you feel if you have completed the job, you can just click on Complete and the job sheet moves to the Completed tab. That's how we create a job sheet on a mobile. Kindly contact +65 8861 4414 to install this feature for easy and faster operations.